Hi, welcome back to Hostbox CHR and back to the tutorial for computer architecture and organization. This tutorial will definitely helpful for GATE, UGC, NET and some of the college level and university exams also. Today's session we are going to solve the one problem. In the previous session I explained about the pipeline concept. I continue by the one question, the gates, what is stage delay in pipelining, and I solved the problem also. Please kindly check the playlist. Today we are going to see solve the problem on pipelining. That is a numerical question on pipelining. The question was asked in the year of 2015 on GATE exam. Let's go for session today and solve. So simple and easy. Here the question asked like this: consider a non-pipelined processor with a clock rate of 2.5 GHz and average cycle per instruction of 4, and also the same processor is the same processor upgraded to a pipelined processor with 5 stages, but due to internal pipeline delay the clock speed is reduced to 2 GHz. Assume there are no stalls in pipeline. The speed of achieved in this pipeline process what? The answer given 3.0, 3.0, 2.2, 2.0. So here if you want to solve this problem, you have to highlight the formula, that speed up is equal to the non-pipelined execution time taken to complete the non-pipelined processor by execution time taken to complete the pipeline processor. And moreover, you have to separately calculate the cycle time. There will be a formula. Let's go for here. So speed up equal to what? Non-pipeline execution time by pipeline execution time. This is the one we have to solve. So before that we have to individually calculate cycle time in non-pipeline processor as well as the cycle time in pipeline processor, because we already told in the previous session the difference between pipelining and non-pipelining. So non-pipeline definitely take a lot of time to complete, but pipeline as soon as possible complete the task or give execute the instruction. Here the frequency of the clock is what? 2.5 GHz were given in the problem, and cycle time is equal to what? 1 by frequency formula. So here 1 by 2.5 GHz, where you can convert here. If you convert means you have to change it 2.5 into 10 power 9 Hz. So if you solve this, what happen? You will get approximately 0.0 nanoseconds. So for cycle time in non-pipeline processor were given here 2.5 GHz, that only we are taking. Now we go for execution time. So how much time take to process one instruction is equal to formula is what? Number of clock cycles taken to execute one instruction, what? That is 4 clock cycles, where 4 into 0.04 seconds, because this is a one cycle time. So calculate what you will get. You will get 1.6 nanoseconds. Okay, so non-pipeline execution time to process one instruction formula is what? Number of clock cycles taken to execute one instruction. We have taken 4 clock cycle because already given the sum, that is per instruction. And moreover in pipeline also what happened here, same we can take. Now go for the next one. So now the clock cycle time in pipeline processor. So frequency of the clock is what? 2 GHz. So again calculate the cycle time. We have same formula, that is equal to 1 by frequency, and here is equal to 1 by 2 GHz where given in the above problem. And so again converting, so 1 by 2 into 10 to multiplies 10 per 9 Hz. If you short out, you will get the answer of 0.5 nanoseconds. So in non-pipelining it take 0.4 nanoseconds, but here it take 0.5 nanoseconds in pipeline processor. Now we will conclude with before concluding, check the pipeline execution time. Here remember, since there are no stalls in pipeline here, remember, so ideally one instruction is executed per clock cycle. So each instruction take 0.5 nanoseconds here. So now, so pipeline execution time for one instruction what? That is 1 clock is equal to 0.5 only. So now you can calculate the speed up now, the last answer. So speed up is equal to what is the formula? Non-pipeline execution time by pipeline execution time. So non-pipeline is what? 1.6 here. Non-pipeline execution time was here 1.6 by 0.5. This we have got it. Cycle time in this is pipeline execution time is 0.5 seconds only. So nanoseconds. So if you solve, what you will get answer? You will get approximately 3.2 nanoseconds. So simply easy. Whenever ask this, sometimes they ask theoretical, sometimes numerical. So if you have to consider the cycle time, then calculate the pipeline execution time separately. Non-pipeline execution time followed by the pipeline execution time. At last you can get the solution. So answer is 3.2 nanoseconds here. So we can pick the answer of A. Answer A is the right answer. These all are about the numerical example and problem on pipeline concept. And if you have any queries or comments, please kindly communicate with us in the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press bell icon for more updates.